Closing the vents in empty rooms will increase energy efficiency.
They do not increase anything. Your vents in the rooms are there for a purpose. Just like if an artery to your heart was closed off, it can be catastrophic. Don't close vents off into other rooms. Your system has to release so much air. And if you start closing vents off, you're putting a restriction on the unit. And your home is not going to be comfortable at all. You're not getting the proper amount of airflow around the home at all. If for some reason that you're having issues in certain rooms and you're trying to move air around, call Vogel. We do an air balance. Takes care of the problem.
To learn more, check out our other videos on our Vogel YouTube channel or call us directly at our office.
At 314-351-2533. Schedule a service today.